Hello internet friends, today Johnny Caps and your main squeeze here, Officer Dan, are going to show you how to install the Gktech drift button. This is a quickie, so pay attention. You like colors? We've got colors. We've got black, purple, blue, red, pink, orange, gold, and last but not least, silver. Whew. Look at all them beauts. Almost organized by color. Okay, it's time to toss these things on. As you can see, the OEM handbrake locks with a ratchet. Not good if you're trying to initial D around some corners. Let's fix that. Start by making ultra-specific hand movements as shown on the screen in an outward motion to remove the rubber boot. Look at those hands go. Once off and you've smoked a cigarette, bend these here tabs out on both sides. In doing this, the spring will drop to the bottom of the lever. So when you engage sick drift mode, the handbrake doesn't stay up. You know what I'm saying? Now you can yank to your heart's content. When you pop the button out, it will re-engage the mechanism and keep the brake in place. And get those fancy hands ready to reinstall the rubber boot, again using these specific hand motions to slide her back home. Put it back down, and as you can see, you can't exactly flick the button forward very easily. That's where the Gktech drift buttons come in to make your life easier. Pick your flavor of choice, slide it on a bit, now delicately hammer it on down with your favorite rubber mallet as you don't want to bend your rod. Wow, look at that. Free-flowing e-breakage so good, the internet can hate you for using it too. With a quick flick of the thumb, the e-brake is now locked. That's it. That's all. You're basically pro at this point, so get out there and compete already, slick. Officer Dan and J Caps are outie like 5,000. Follow us on YouTube, because you ain't got nothing to do on a Tuesday.